People's biggest fear. You've guessed it, it's actually flying. But people's second biggest fear is speaking in public, speaking in front of an audience. This is why when our students get up on stage for the very first time, let's say in an end of term performance, they can feel really intimidated and their voices go like this and their bodies go like this. So what can we do to help our students feel happier, feel more relaxed and enjoying themselves on stage? Well, there is a way. It's this: when you start your next show, instead of starting with a dialogue between actors, which can make them feel a little bit scared, start with all of your students as a group on stage. Unity is key. Start with having them singing at least 2 really lively and energetic songs, which will help them warm up their voices and help them warm up their bodies and get them used to being on stage too and enjoying themselves. And it will help them set the tone, this energetic tone and adrenaline going for the rest of the show. Give it a go. Group singing really does help warm up our students and warm up their energy ready for their shows. Let me know how you get on, and until next time, remember, be theatrical.